Do you want to be the leader of the 21st century? I invite you to set this challenge and participate in this powerful workshop. My name is Caroline Walker, and I'm the founder of Advancing Your Voice Initiative, committed to creating a new generation of young leaders that fit into the digital world. We are going to have this powerful workshop inviting speakers from diverse groups, a workshop of innovation, impact, and decision making. So these speakers will be drawn from technology, education, other nonprofits, business enterprise, and mental health. The benefits of this workshop cannot be overemphasized because it's going to teach you how to develop soft skills in today's modern leadership. It's going to give you a clarity on how to use different apps to increase productivity and performance. And you can now develop your own tailored action plan in this workshop. What are you waiting for? Get your tickets right now. Go to www.advancingyourvoice.org/event, and I will meet you at the Echo Hotels and Towers, Lagos on the 24th January 2024. What a way to start the new year. See you soon.